I got another banger for you guys. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so I got an impromptu video here for you. If you haven't watched my previous video to this one, my previous episode, so my guys are at that house. I was recording from that house. We were talking about the importance of great customer service and the impact that going above and beyond for the customer can have on your business. So right after I got done with that video, by the way, I put my camera away and I came here to my truck. It's right here out in the street. And I started doing what we call, or I refer to all the time as, your 5 rounds. But when I talk to you guys about doing your 5 rounds, this is the one time I want you to actually knock on doors and do your elevator pitch, right? So you can't see it right there beyond those trees right there. There's an actual house there. There's a neighbor there. Then there's another neighbor right there where I'm pointing. There's a neighbor right here. And then there's a neighbor right there, but they're actually building that house, so there's nobody to talk to there. But then you see here, right where I'm pointing right here, an immediate neighbor to where my guys are right there. So this is what I did. I got my flyers, guys, and I just went and I knocked on all of these houses. Nobody answered the door for me. Guys, sales is all about a process of elimination, right? We talk about this all the time. You got to get all the no's out of your way to find your yeses. These people, tons of cars. You see that house right there where my finger's pointing? There's literally 4 cars in the driveway. There's a red truck. Somebody is definitely home, knocked on the door. Nobody answered the door for me. That's okay. That's not a big deal. But guess what, guys? One person did answer the door for me right there. Okay, and then I did my elevator pitch. Now, the elevator pitch is now part of our business in a box. You guys know it's a digital product that I have for you guys, an actual thumb drive that we sent to you via mail. And it has over 500 documents in it, 500 blueprints, I should say, including over 300 before and after pictures, okay? And one of the blueprints that's on there is my elevator pitch. You guys don't have to create your own. You can just copy verbatim what I do, with the things I've said, to customers out here for years and years and years, perfecting this pitch. So anyway, I knocked on that door, customer comes out, I do my elevator pitch, and at the end of my pitch, he goes, "Oh, okay. Yeah, I was wondering what all the noise next door was all about." We start laughing about it. And I said, and I actually wanted to knock on your door because I could see that your home could use a little bit of TLC. We both laughed. He goes, "Yeah, how much you guys charge for a house wash?" And I said, "Well, the good news is we're in the neighborhood today. Normally it's $4.99, but because we're right here right now, we can knock off $100 off the price. So you're looking at $3.99. And guess what, guys? That's what my guys, they're already putting their rig away. It's about 9:35. We got here at 9, 35 minutes to do that job. It's already done. Right? And you guys saw there from the video. And if you haven't, guys, make sure you go back and you watch that video as well. Very important, talking about customer service. But my point is, now my guys are just going to go whoop, and they're going to go right up this driveway to do a $399 wash. This is going to be their house number 2. And guess what? Their house number 2, the time was 11:01. And right now it's about 9:35 in the morning. They're going to finish this probably by 10:30, 10:40. They're going to do the complete house wash here. He already called. He's already in our CRM. It's already in the books. So now this is going to become their job number 2, but they have 6 jobs to do today. And I bring this up, guys, because you guys out there, you're leaving a lot of money on the table, guys, if you are not doing your 5 rounds correctly, if you're not doing your elevator pitch, if you're not, you have an aggressive boots on the ground, door-to-door marketing strategy for your company. If you guys, I say this all the time, guys, social proofing, right? You go back, I've been talking about this forever. So many videos where we talk about how customers, they want to do business with people they know, they trust, and they like, and you can't see this on camera, guys, but Miguel, the lead, he's doing the walkthrough with the customer right now. I can see she's got a check on her hand. So you guys saw that. It was a 35-minute job. completely done. When I did that video, they were just starting. And I mean, it was that quick. I did the 5 rounds here, been lollygagging a little bit on my phone, and they're done. They're doing the walkthrough right now. But, you know, so customers, they want to do business with people they know, they trust, and they like. And if I'm already right here, the guy next door sees us working. He sees it on a camera. He sees it out of his window. So if we're good enough for his neighbor to hire us, why do you think we wouldn't be good enough for him to hire us? And that's where social proofing, remember, social proof is where people's behaviors are dictated by others around them, right? So we talked about how one person in a neighborhood does landscaping, everybody wants it. In this case here, neighbor got their house washed, he's going to want it. And we do a lot of people here in the neighborhood, and you guys want to make sure that you tap into that social proofing, tap into that boots on the ground marketing strategy. Remember, guys, everything that I bring to you is things that I've been lab testing for years and years and years and years. And that's why I bring this information to you guys. And I know that if you guys practice the things that I'm preaching, that I'm teaching you guys, the results, it's not a matter of if you're going to have them. It's just a matter of when. And always remember this, guys. Always remember this. In the pressure washing business, the more you know, the more you'll grow. And that's all I got for you guys today. This was a really impromptu video. I really appreciate you guys watching this one. Guys, we're in full bloom. The season is right here, guys. We're going to be putting out a lot of content for you guys. So stay glued to the Mr. Bubbles channel, guys. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bubbles out.